Well, good morning and welcome to the Breakfast of Champions practice. This is a practice that's intended to get right to the point, to energize you in every cell of your body, and to get you ready for the best day possible. Let's begin by tuning in with Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the divine in everything. I bow to the teachers and the teachings that have come before. Rub the palms together at the heart center. And allow the eyes to gently close. Inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deeply. Pause the breath. Feel the fullness of your lungs, the uplifted nature of your heart. And exhale. Beautiful. Come laying on your back with your knees bent so your feet are flat on the ground and your palms are flat on the ground. Press into your feet, inhale, and lift the pelvis up off the floor. Exhale back down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. Stay in a rhythm. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Now inhale up, hold the posture, hold the breath, suspend the breath, and exhale, relax. Extend the legs straight out. Deep inhale, full exhale. Good. Now we're going to begin leg lifts here. If there's no strain in your lower back, you can inhale both legs up. Inhale, exhale down. If there's any strain at all, begin with one leg at a time. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, and begin. Good. Stay in a rhythm. Inhaling up, exhaling down, pushing the lower spine towards the floor, and making sure that there's no strain. If there's strain, go to one leg at a time. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Hold the breath. Squeeze. And exhale. Palms face up for a moment. Take a deep inhale. Full exhale. Deep inhale. Full exhale. Very good. We're working now on the navel center, the third chakra, and this is our point of personal will. This is where we bring our personal will into right alignment and we really strengthen the core of our body. Palms face down once again. And we are going to piston the legs in and out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Just get in a rhythm that's right for you. Keep that lower spine pressing towards the earth. We're really setting that strength, setting that power right here in that navel point area. Inhale, both legs straight out, hold. And exhale. Palms face up. Totally relax now. Long, deep breath. Feel that energy in the navel point spreading throughout the entire body. Every cell in the body receiving this goodness. Very good. Draw the knees into the chest and roll gently back and forth on the spine, just a few times. And then we'll come up onto our feet. Now we're going to bring the heels together, up off the ground, just like that. And we're going to be doing our frog poses. Fingers are spread on the ground in front of you. And I like to tell people, lean forward slightly and get some support from the hands and the arms. This is the exhale position. This is the inhale position. That's an inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, you have to be very careful if you have any kind of knee issues. You might be moving very gently, or you may not be able to bend your legs much. So I want you to really, really listen to the body when you're doing these, okay? We're going to do 26 together. Try and go at my pace. I'll go nice and slow. And let's begin. Just a few more. And inhale up. Allow the feet to be parallel to each other. Exhale, fold forward. Stay here and inhale. Exhale. And allow the upper body to relax down. Inhale. Deep inhale. And a full exhale. Bend the knees. Roll up gently, one vertebra at a time. Beautiful. Bring the hands down by your side. Take a deep inhale, catch your breath. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deeply. And exhale. Beautiful. Feet are about hips distance apart. Hands are going to remain sort of by the sides of the body. Inhale to center. Stretch down to the side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take your time. Always inhale to center and exhale down to the side. And inhale up. And exhale. Beautiful. Good. Now we're going to take our right hand onto our heart and we're going to inhale left, twisting, exhale right. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale, exhale. Now we're twisting open the body. This should feel very nice. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale to center. And exhale. Beautiful. You should be feeling very alive, very awake right about now. Final exercise of this beautiful sadhana practice is called painting the aura. To paint the aura, again, the feet are about hips distance apart. And we're going to inhale up. Keeping the knees slightly bent, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale all that good life, that good energy. Exhale all that negativity, any tension. Inhale prana. Exhale anything you don't need. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, relax. Come sitting down. Allow it to settle. Draw your attention inward. Feel that beautiful vibration through the body. That beautiful hum of aliveness. Notice the effects of your practice today. Let's bring the palms together at the heart center. We'll end this sadhana with a long sat and a short nam. Sat nam, truth is my identity. Inhale to begin. Sat Nam. Universe, put me in the places you want me to be, with the people you want me to be with, doing the things you want me to do. Thank you for the joys and challenges of my life. Sat Nam. Have a wonderful day.